Hi everyone, I'm Krista with Art Graphics Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to obtain and assemble my Easter pop-up card with platted sides in Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. If you're a Cricut user, you can access some of my free designs simply by opening the Cricut Design Space, and in the home screen, type in my shop name, Art Graphics Studio, and search. When this next screen comes up, scroll to the bottom and click on my profile. This will bring up my profile page, and all of my shared projects will be listed. Just a note though, if you're not a Cricut Access member, Cricut may want to charge you for any of their components that were used in the original design. All right, these are the components for the platted Easter card. And the first thing I did was I took the large green paper and glued it to the platted yellow paper and then folded it. Two of them, same thing. All right, here we have all of the other components, and I'm going to move those out of the way so we can get started on the folding of the base. This is the base. You'll see it has all the folds on it. And that's the tricky one, but we'll get to it. And this is the outside of the card. All right, the first thing you want to do with the base is to fold it in half. And the next thing you want to do is to fold this center part. These two pieces will fold in, that piece will fold out. And this will fold down. So now you've got this shape. So then you want to fold this back. Turn it over and fold the other side back. All right, now here we have it. Fold this to the outside, fold this to the outside, and there you have it. All right, the next thing you want to do is the liner pieces go here and here. Of course, you don't have to use the liner pieces if you don't want to, but I have provided them. So I'll glue those in and we'll be right back. All right. Now we're going to glue this to the outside cover. Make sure your folds are lined up. Go ahead and fold that. Now the next thing you want to do is to decorate your card. Here's your cover. You can put that on now or you can put it on last, whatever you prefer. And then here are all our little components. And it doesn't really matter how you put these on. That's just up to you. I provided you with some grass for each of the edges. And you can use dimensionals if you'd like to, but I would just go ahead and put whatever it is that you'd like to. Now these do stick out a little bit, so if you want to make those a little smaller, you can do that. Or you could turn them over, put them a little lower. That might be the thing to do. We'll put that guy right there. It just depends on whether you mind the edges sticking out and if your envelope is going to be large enough to handle it. But we'll do him like that. Got another large one, and you can put that down here with some dimensionals, or you can put them up here. Now you do want to leave room for this. So I think I'll move this guy over just a little bit. And like I said, you can always make him a little smaller before you cut it out. There we go. And we'll put this one over here. Same thing here, you want to leave room for when you put these in. Now then you can put your eggs in however you want to do them. Here, 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 whatever you want to. And so on and so forth, and I'll do that and then we'll come back. Okay. Now I've got it all decorated. Of course, you can do it any way you'd like to, or you can put a sentiment here or who it's from right there. Create that, put it on there. That's just up to you. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put our platted binding edges, and we're going to glue it here. We're going to put glue here and here. We'll glue this side. And then we're going to glue this side and we're going to close it up like this. Okay, I'll do that and then we'll be right back. So here's the finished product. And here's the inside card. There you go. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time.